Dear friends, I'm back with another machine on the Hackthebox, which is Pandora. I've already spawned the machine earlier, and this is the IP address of the target. As always, I'd like to use the Pentesting, which is online payload OS provided by the Hackthebox to do this penetration. Before we begin today's journey, if you don't mind, please subscribe to my channel and leave a like below. This will help me very much on YouTube robots, as you can understand. So enough said, let's just get started. We can switch over to the viewer of Hackthebox, GUI of Payload OS. As you can see, to save time, I've already done the map scanning with the usual options like scene scan, the version scan, the default script scan, and also the comprehensive scan. From the map scanning results, as you can see over here, the two open ports. And the first one is 22. Which is running SSH surface and also the actual version information. As we know, this version doesn't have any vulnerability. The second one is 18, which is running HTTP surface and also the version information, which is Apache 2. So then what we are going to do next is we need to do some enumeration with web application. Let's launch our browser of Firefox. Let's make it bigger so you can see what's going on. And let's put the IP address of the target. Let's hit enter. I think we got the response back. And the page has been rendered without any problem. Although there's some looks like links, but actually this is not a real link at all. And then we can check the source code of this page to see whether it can reveal some important information. For example, like some comments. But in this case, we cannot get any such information. And next, maybe we can use some different tools to go on enumeration for the web application. The first one is Q, and we can put the V means verbose to get more information. I mean the entire process between the browser and the target or server. And we can put the IP address, and to see whether this site has robots file, but not found on this server. So next, maybe we can use the Nicto. Nicto is it's the tool we must have for the web application enumeration because it can review the server architecture information, also some vulnerabilities in some cases, and also some common files or directories. But in this case, we cannot get such information at all. So I'd like to quit from the Nicto. Next, maybe we need to do some directory enumeration. The most favorite tool for the directory enumeration is GoBuster. It's so strong, so powerful. The speed is very quick. And the dir and put the URL option and put the IP address of the target. And of course, we need to configure or specify the word list And the word list I want to use is Dear Buster medium. Yeah, if you follow along my videos, you can know my habit. Yeah, I always use this word list to my first one. And also I'd like to put extension options, for example, like PHP and HTML and back, JavaScript, TXT. Let's press enter to see which kind of information or directories or files we can get. Of course, assets. Yeah, although this is some sort of the default or standard directory, which cannot give us furthermore information. I mean, interesting information. And if you have time, you can let it run. Yeah, as long as you can, but we cannot get interesting information from the directory enumeration. So I think so far we have already done almost everything we can, what we can, for the target. But wait a moment, just now, although we have already done the map scanning, but we can cut the map. Yeah, as you can see, I use the scene scan, the version scan, and also the default script scan. All these options are used for to scan the TCP-based surface. So I think it's time, because we have already, we cannot get any entry for the target. So maybe we need to make UDP scanning rather, or furthermore scanning. Of course, the UDP scanning always take a bit more or long time compared to TCP. To save time, I've already done that earlier, and we can cut the map UDP. Yeah, this is the result. As you can see, I think some filtered, not the UDP is UDP way or UDP scanning is not as reliable as TCP scanning. Anyway, but from here we can know the target is running SNMP surface, and also give us the version information V1 or V3. Okay, and also we can use the public key, not a key, the community or password, whatever you call it. So now I think we need to use the SNMP. Sorry about that. SNMP walk. Utility to enumerate information about or in relation to the SMP surface. So we can hit enter. Give us the help on how to use this utility. And we just SMP. And because there will be a lot of output, so I'd like to redirect the output to the file. Then we can make a more detailed analysis. All right. And we can specify the version to 1 or a second C or 2C or 3. I think it doesn't matter. And also the community is public. We have already know that we can use the public key. So I think at this moment, this reminds us that we must use stronger or complicated community for the SMP surface. Anyway, we can put the IP address of the target. And then we can write to like SMP results. Let's hit enter. It will take a bit a long time because a lot of information. Yeah, we can cut, or maybe we can use more. SM results. Yeah, a lot of outputs, right? And many different types of information, like IP address. Yeah, also let's scroll down. Yeah, some boot image information and the memory information. Yeah, but such information is not interesting to us, right? And also CPU information. Let's scroll down. Go on scrolling. I think this must be process information, right? Yeah, different processes on the target, running on the target. Yeah, another. Okay, I think as you can notice, yeah, we got some interesting information about this script. Yeah, of course, this is the shell script. We run the host check. And also, of course, we from the option name, we can know that this should be username and this should be password. So maybe we need to make a copy of such information onto our notebook, right? Yeah, I've already done that earlier. So maybe this username and password is reused by the SSH. Yeah, we can check on that. To save time, I'd like to quit from the output of the snmpwalk result. So we can SSH Danny near and the IP address of the target. Let's press enter. Yeah, we need to copy the password to see whether this is working for the SSH. I mean the credential. You know, very often, as you can see, it does work. And we can check ID, and also we can check the sudo and put the password again. Now maybe we need to do some more local enumeration, and there is just 2 users, and we can go to the Dania direct home directory, but nothing there. And then we can go back and go to another directory which belongs to the mat. Yeah, there is user flag, but so far we do not have privilege to access this user flag. So maybe we need to make lateral movement to the second user, which is mat. So how do we do it? Maybe we can upload the Nimpier shell script. And I'm certain that this payload OS has Nimpier's shell script. So we just copy this shell script from the source, right? And to the current working directory. Okay, and now we need to upload this nmpairs shell script. The way to do is very simple. We just set up the web server by Python. Alright, then we can wget nmpairs, and we can make it executable. Alright, and then we can run this shell script. You know, the nmpairs shell script is very valuable for the local privilege escalation because it will review or go through all possible misconfigurations. The local privilege escalation vulnerabilities, process information, cron job information, routing table information, SUID information, many different types information can be enumerated out. Also can enumerate out some files which contains credentials information. So we just wait for this script to be finished to see whether we can find some interesting information. Also capability information. Writable log files, backup files, web files. We can scroll up. Pandora. I think this video will be going on a bit long time, but just I mentioned in the other videos, I want to showcase the entire process as much as possible. We can scroll up, but so far, nothing. We got some, the Apache 2 sites configuration information. This is the server name. Interesting, right? So has 2 configuration file. And this one, this one is what we have already seen that. This is the home page. However, the target has another server running. I think this must be host name. And also so maybe we need to navigate to the Apache 2 configuration directories, to take a closer look at, right? So nothing there. So maybe we can navigate to the Apache 2, and now we can go to the sites available. We have already know that from the nmpairs shell script. The first one is the default one. Yeah, I think, yeah, this is the document root, and it's running 80 pod number, and but there is another one, Pandora. Yeah, this one, yeah, virtual host is local host. It means that we can only access this virtual host locally, and this is the document root, and assign user ID Matt. So maybe, so how do we access this virtual host? Yeah, we need to set up the tunnel, the port forwarding tunnel by SSH. All right. Of course, also we need to put this server name or host name into the host file. Let us copy, and then we can open another tab. We can echo the IP address and paste in here. Sudo. All right, no problem. But now we need to set up the port forwarding by SSH. The option will be uppercase and or capital, and the port number, for example, any port number, available port number locally on our own machine, and target IP address or host, and then the port number is 80, of course, and the username is Dania, and the target IP address. Let's press enter, and then we can copy the password of Dania user. Alright, the tunnel has been set up, or port forwarding. So now we can go to the browser and access and of course port number, local port number is 9001. Yeah, because of port forwarding, all traffic destined for this port number locally will be forwarded to the target or the remote server, right? Of course, I think we need to use the host name rather than IP address. I'm not sure about that, but I think host name must be fine. And we need to put the IP address. Oh, we need to put, because we have already resolved this domain to the local IP address, so we just use this one. Or whatever, no problem. All right, we can make a copy. Let's press enter. Yeah, I think this is another FMS, and let's scroll down. You can see, the bottom can review the version information. We can make a copy and use the Google to search exploits for this version, and already open up this GitHub, and we can clone this exploit to our own machine. Of course, I've already done that earlier, and now we can open up another tab. As you can see, yeah, we can go to this exploit directory. Yeah, here give us the usage, and we need to specify the target and the file name. File name is for shell upload with PHP extension, right? I've already prepared this reverse shell .php. Of course, you can get it from the Pentest Monkey website. Yeah, many different websites have such resource. Okay, then we can do the Python SQL, and let's press enter, and we need to specify the target, and maybe I need to put the host name and also corresponding port number. Can put here. Of course, I think you need to understand the Python before you can fully utilize such exploit. All right, and also we need to specify the reverse shell.php. All right, and let's press enter to see whether this is working. Yeah, it's working, and we can check the ID. Yeah, which is met. Of course, although we have already got or spawned another shell, but this shell is some sort of the web shell. I don't like it very much. For me, I'd like to spawn better one, so we can set up another listener. And of course, although netcat is there, but for me, when I did the mission earlier, the first time, I failed to get another reverse shell by running netcat. However, another way, Python, this way can work. We can make a copy. Of course, you need to know the version of the Python, right? Because Python 2 or Python 3, we need to know the version. Python 3 is there. Then we can paste the reverse shell command here. Before we hit enter, we need to set up another listener. And the port number should be 666. Let's hit enter. Now, and now we can hit enter. We got another shell which looks, it seems like a very much better one. Although it's not the best one, I'd like to spawn the bin bash. All right, now, so we have already made the lateral movement. Next, we need to elevate a privileged root user. How to do it? We can go to, maybe we can even, this one is not the best one. Maybe we can go to the home directory. Go to the mat. The SSH is better one. Now, of course, now we can get the user flag. Maybe we can upload the public key onto this directory. Then we can SSH to the target, right? I'd like to show you this technique, which is a very popular one, right? So we can set up the SSH directory, and then we can go into this directory, And also we need to open up another tab. And we can print working directory. I'd like to save the key pairs under our working directory. Okay. And yeah, this command will generate key pair. And I'd like to save or store key pairs under our working directory rather than the default one. Alright, yeah, no passphrase. So we can cut the public key and we can copy this public key. Yeah, we can echo, paste, and then we can authorized keys. Okay, so our public key will be saved inside these authorized keys. Now I think we can SSH to the target, and the username is met. Alright, yeah, as you can see, yeah, this is the much better shell or session. So now we need to elevate. How to do? We can check sudo, and but of course we don't have the password for the Mac user. We just tried 3 different attempts. Now we can use a find command. And file redirect error to the now. You know, this technique is also popular for the privilege escalation. Here, this one got our attention. So we can run bin Pandora backup. Yeah, backup successful. Alright, now, so maybe we need to analyze this program. We can use lchess usr bin and you know, the lchess will review some like libraries required or accessed by the program. As you can see here, this binary will run this command tar and cannot open, permission denied. Here, as you can notice, tar command doesn't use the absolute path. So I think we can utilize this point to make innovation. We can generate our own tar command, and we can navigate to temp directory. We can generate our own tar command, and of course we need to make it full. We make it has full permissions. But also we need to change the environmental variable path. We must put our current directory, which is temp, into the path variable. Alright, then if we run, because this one has SUID bit, and then we can run this command because we have manipulated the tar command. and will give us the ownership of the loot. Yeah, as you can see from the banner, we have already made the successful elevation. Now we can go to the loot directory. Then we can cut the loot flag. Okay, so that's pretty much it. Yeah, we successfully completed this machine. I hope to see you in the other one. In the next one. Bye. Have a nice day.